Hey everyone, today we are going to do another extension to our distributing and combining like terms section using word problems. So we're going to simplify algebraic expressions from word problems. So we have to write the expressions first from the verbal expressions, and then we're going to simplify the expressions by combining like terms or using the distributive property and then combining like terms, whatever we need to do. So number 1 says 8 friends went to a hockey game. The price of admission per person was X dollars. So it tells me that X represents the cost of admission. Okay. And then it says 4 of the friends paid an extra $6 for a player guidebook. Write and simplify an expression that represents the total cost. Well, the first part that I'm going to write is 8 times the cost of admission because 8 people went to the hockey game and they paid X dollars for admission. Then it says 4 of the friends paid an extra $6. So I'm going to add in 4 people that paid an extra $6. And you can represent your multiplication however you would like. And then to simplify my expression, I am going to do this multiplication right here. So this is going to be 8x plus 24. And that's going to be my final expression for the cost of going to this hockey game for all 8 people. Because 8 people bought tickets, but only 4 people bought the program or the guidebook. Number 2 says Ellie is X years old. So I'm going to say X is Ellie's age. Then it says her sister is 2 years older than her. Well, older is going to be plus. So I'm going to say X plus 2 is her sister. And I'm going to label each expression as I write it. Then it says her mother is 3 times as old as her sister. Now this is important. So I'm doing 3 times her sister. Well, her sister is X plus 2. So the sister or the mom is 3 times X plus 2. And this is going to be my distributive property. So this is mom. So this expression is going to include the distributive property because I'm 3 times her sister. Well, her sister's whole age is Ellie plus 2. Then it says her Uncle Rich is 5 years older. And again, older is going to mean plus than her mother. So I'm going to take the expression for mom and I'm going to add 5. So 3 times X plus 2 plus 5 is going to be Uncle Rich. And this says to write and simplify an expression to represent Rich's age. Well, then I'm going to take the expression that I just wrote, 3 times X plus 2 plus 5, and I'm going to simplify that expression. Here I'm going to start with the distributive property. So 3x plus 6 plus 5. And then I'm going to combine like terms. So 3x plus 11. Number 3 says 5 friends each buy a shirt that costs X dollars. So X is going to be the cost of the shirt. And a pair of shoes that cost $24. So I'm going to say X plus 24 is my total cost. Because they bought those shoes for $24, that's not a unknown thing. We know what the shoes cost. It says write an expression to show how much total money they spent. Well, I'm going to talk about all 5 friends that bought these shoes and this shirt. So 5 people bought shoes and a shirt. To simplify, I'm going to distribute. So 5x plus 120. Now this one says then rewrite using the distributive property. I wrote my expression that included the distributive property first and then simplified that expression. Number 4 says a DVD box set includes 3 thrillers and 2 comedies. Use T to represent the cost of the thriller. So T is going to be the thriller. And C is going to represent the comedy. So my expression for the box is going to be 3 times the thrillers plus 2 times the comedies. And then it says, write and simplify an expression that represents the total cost of 6 box sets. That means 6 times what comes in each box. So 6 times 3 is 18T. 6 times 2 is going to be 12C. Number 5 says Hannah and Sophia are sisters. Hannah is 4 years younger than Sophia. So Sophia is who I do not know. And x minus 4 is going to be Hannah because Hannah is 4 years younger than Sophia. Then it says, write an expression in simplest form to represent the sum of Hannah and Sophia's ages. The sum means to add, so I'm going to do x plus 4. So I've got 2 x's here, so 2x plus 4. Okay, so this is several different ways to write expressions from verbal phrases that include more than one step. So there's more than one piece of information given in each of these problems. For homework today, you're actually going to do 6 through 10 on the back side, so I will not be doing those in this video.